tukaweka katika mtandao na tukaweka katika rununu yako, on your telephone. Ukitaka
within 10 days umepata kitambulisho yako. Hiyo ndio maendeleo ambayo
We want to make it very clear that there is no longer vetting. Vetting initially was being done in 22 counties. Not only Northeastern alone, it was many counties, including Migori, including Busia, including Trans Nzoia, including Turkana, including Marsabit. But since the president has said there's no more vetting, or has announced that there's no more vetting, then in all counties and in all our towns and cities, including Nairobi, Nakuru, Eldoret, Kisumu, where vetting was being done, it has been abolished, and every Kenyan now can access an ID